In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hotmail account password. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Password Reset page. You'll find the link in the description of this video, so it's easier and safer to click that instead of typing anything manually. This page is used for Hotmail and other Microsoft accounts, so you're in the right place. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for the email of the account whose password you want to reset. Carefully type in your full Hotmail email address. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes or extra spaces, because if the email is incorrect, Microsoft won't be able to find the right account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. This will move you to the security verification steps. On the next screen, you'll be asked for a contact email address. This should be an email you currently have access to, because Microsoft will use it to send you a verification code. Click into the contact email field and type in that email address. Again, double check it to avoid any typos, as this is where your security code will be sent. Below that, you'll see a CAPTCHA field. This is a small test to confirm you're a real person and not an automated bot. Click into the CAPTCHA box and carefully enter the characters you see on the screen. If it's hard to read, look for an option to reload or get a new one. When you've entered your contact email and the CAPTCHA, click on Next to continue. Microsoft will now send a verification code to the contact email you provided. Open a new tab or switch to your email app, then check your inbox for a message from Microsoft with a security code. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the code, return to the password reset page and type that code into the field provided. After entering the code, click on Verify. If the code is correct and still valid, you'll be taken to the final page. Here, you'll be asked to create a new password. Type your new password once, then enter the same password again to confirm it. Choose something strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. When you're done, save your changes, and your Hotmail password is now reset.